in this case, 0.75 horsepower. This is your automatic control, pressure control. So what it does is that when you open your tap, this automatic control senses it and does what? Sends a signal to the pump and it starts to run. Okay? Now, so how do we connect it? We connect this to the pump. The water from the tank goes in here. The water to the building goes from here. Pause. So this is the sketch. This is your tank. This is the water from the borehole. This is the water leaving the tank. So we have a T here. We're supposed to have a T here and a valve here. So this is what it is, okay? What the direction of flow from the borehole, water gets into the tank, overhead tank. From the lower point, the water leaves. There's a ball valve here. A ball valve here. This is your pump, okay? There's a check valve here. So what happens is this. The water flows from this way and goes into the house by gravity, okay? When the pump is on, the water will pass through here. The pump will suck the water and push it back to the line, okay? These valves must be open. It will only be closed if you want to fix the pump, if there's a problem with the pump. So when it pushes it back to this line, the water goes this way and meets the check valve, the non-return valve. So it will stop the water from going back to the tank or circling back to the pump. It will go to the house. So if someone opens the tap, it will send a signal to this control. It puts the pump on. When it goes to the house, if they shut the tap, there will be a static pressure on this control. Then it will shut off the pump. Okay? Then we have to also introduce a union connector at this point. So if we need to fix the pump, we'll turn off these two valves, uncouple the union connector, fix the pump, while they are still using water comfortably in the house. If you don't put these things and install the pump directly at this point, whenever they need to fix the pump, you have to deprive the home users the water usage. Okay? So Ezekiel, if you look at what IK has done so far at site, okay? So this is the non-return valve installed. And I know that the arrow is facing downwards, okay? Meaning that water is only allowed to flow this way and not backwards. This is the ball valve. Here's the ball valve. Here's the ball valve. So when you get to site, you install a union connector at this point, a union connector at this point, and now make your loop to the inlet of the pump that is here. While this one will continue from the outlet of the control. Once you do that, the electrical guy will just make his electrical connection and you'll be good to go. Okay? So that's the end of it. Okay? Alright, so get to work. So a total of 3 pumps will be installed. 0.5 horsepower 2, 0.75 horsepower 1 with their various control. Alright, thank you for watching.
They use 2 horsepower.